Hi, Christine here for the February 15th special edition of the Winnipeg Real Estate News. Winnipeg Realtors is pleased to announce we launched our updated Real Estate News website. The new design meets the demand for searchable real estate in Winnipeg's metropolitan region with enhanced search features. Mark listings as favorite, compile comparisons, and so much more. Visit www.winnipegrealestatenews.com and start your search today. This week's paper has a sweetheart of a deal feature designed to help those looking for something in the $200,000 to $400,000 price range. Take a look and then contact your realtor to secure a viewing. Our open house guide is the only one published in Winnipeg and has plenty of properties to choose from. Pick up a copy of the Winnipeg Real Estate News at any of our 500 plus locations in and around the city, or visit us online and view our interactive copy. The door is open on our new website, so come on in. There's no place like home.